Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Showstar Auto again. So I'm addressing an Honda Pilot 2006. I believe it's the shift solenoid malfunction. I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm gonna go to my computer. I'm gonna show you the code so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm right here on the vehicle. I'm not gonna start. I'm gonna turn the switch and I'm gonna wait till this beautiful do the job. Plug in, plug back in. Hold on. You don't have to do that, but anyways. So waiting for service. You don't need to start about it, whatever. So at the end of the day, I'm just waiting for this beautiful thing to read, so they can give me the code, so I can show exactly what this beautiful thing says. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna check all the system completely. So I'm gonna address the solenoids. I'm gonna take all the solenoids out, except from the one on the bottom of the transmission. But the other ones on top here, I believe they have few. I'm gonna check them. They sometimes have like some type of filter in them, like some type of metal filter. So I'm gonna make sure everything is clean. My client said that they took it to Honda and they did the whole full service completely, but after that, after a month, that happened. So I'm addressing it again to see what's going on. I'm gonna check all the solenoids. I believe I have one right here. That's the first thing that I'm going to address, and I'm going to see if everything is nice and beauty. I checked the transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is fine. I gotta wait for the car to run map before to do that, but I came last week and did that, so I know the transmission fluid is good. So let me go ahead right now and go to the front of the car to see if you find the code. And there we go. This is what we got. P0780. Shift malfunction, DTC service 2 or 3 repairs immediately if drivability issue are present. Woo, so AR, because every time that I'm driving the vehicle, put it in gear, it boom, jump back and forth. So that's it guys. I'm going to be having the other videos so I can show you exactly how it's going on. So thanks for watching. Showstar, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications like this. Thank you. Showstar Show, let's go.